our online yoga classes. We'll continue with our Surya Namaskara, sun salutations variations. Let's call this variation number 5. If you're tracking the previous ones, we will call this reverse warrior variation, reverse Virabhadrasana variation. Start in Sthiti, legs together, feet together, and say Namaste. Again, in the variation, we will always add 3 poses after the horse pose or Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Hands in Namaste, nicely, legs together, back straight. Inhale, look at the sky, half wheel, Ardha Chakrasana. Exhale, stretch out nicely, touch your toes, hands to feet, Padahastasana. Inhale, right leg goes back to horse, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Breathe through the postures if you're doing it slowly. Now slowly go into variation, back foot flat on the ground, 45 degrees, pressing with your hands. Inhale, coming to warrior, slowly going to reverse warrior, looking at the sky, left bicep near the left ear, right hand is on the right thigh behind, look at the sky. Breathe, steady. Front thigh is parallel to ground, back knee straight. Slowly going to next pose here. Curl your back toes under nicely. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Inhale, exhale, coming down. You're bringing your forehead towards your left knee. It's very difficult. Keep the back knee on the ground. Otherwise, keep it up. Pull your hands up. Look down. Breathe. Inhale, come back up. Take your hands behind your back and interlock them. This is Gomukhasana variation. So basically, it's very difficult. Keep the back knee on the ground. If not, you can take it off. Curl your nicely back toes. Clasp your fingers behind your back. Back straight. Look forward. Breathe. Exhale. Bring the hands down into horse. Nice inhalation. Exhale, take the left leg back into plank. Nice inhalation. Exhale, go down. Ashtanga Namaskara, 8-limb salutation. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Rest with your hands. Nicely looking at your belly button. Inhale, right leg forward between your hands. Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Now we will go into the variation on this side. Back foot flat on the ground. Pressing with your hands. Inhale, come back up. Raise your arm, right bicep close to right ear. Left hand is on the thigh behind. Look at the sky. Front thigh parallel to ground, back knee straight. Breathe. Slowly go into next one. Curl your left toes under nicely. Interlock your fingers behind your back. Nice deep inhalation. Exhale. Bend forward. It's very difficult. Back knee on the ground. Otherwise, back knee off. Forehead towards the right knee. Look down. Breathe. Steady. Inhale. Come back up. Now left hand goes behind. Right. Inhale, right up. Go grab your left fingers. Back straight. Look forward. Front thigh parallel to ground. Back knee straight. If it's difficult, back knee can be on the ground. Otherwise, take it off for advanced practitioners. Breathe. Eyes closed once you're comfortable. Exhale, release, hands on the ground. Horse. Nice deep inhalation. Exhale, left leg joins the right into Padahastasana. Inhale, rise high. Exhale, come back to Namaste. Release and relax. Legs apart. Take a few breaths.